The Grand Touring Tire segment is all about balance. However, when it comes to helping customers choose the right tire, one thing matters most: understanding what kind of driving they usually do. A customer might walk in thinking they need a certain tire when, in reality, a few questions from you could lead them to choose a Grand Touring Tire option. Let's talk about why that is, especially for drivers who want performance without sacrificing comfort. Grand Touring tires often focus more on responsiveness, noise control, and handling than standard touring options. Some even carry winter certifications for true all-season driving. If your customers give you information that indicates Grand Touring tires are the best option, inform them about tread design. For example, tell them that an optimized multi-pitch tread sequence can reduce road noise by up to 5% compared to other tires in the segment. Add in technologies like 3D sipes and high flexibility tread compounds, and these tires are ready for rain, snow, and everything in between. Explaining compound selection of Grand Touring tires could help you sell them as well. Many Grand Touring tire options feature silica-rich formulas to improve grip on wet roads, enhance braking, and support longer tread life. Tell your customers that features like these make it easier to deliver a well-rounded driving experience, especially for daily drivers and long-distance commuters. For SUV and light truck owners, it's important not to assume Grand Touring is always the right fit. If they're carrying heavy loads or tackling rough terrain, they may need something more rugged. But if their main priority is a smooth, reliable drive year-round, Grand Touring should check every box for them. At the end of the day, matching customers with the right tire isn't about selling the most expensive option. It's about listening to what they want from their tires. When dealers ask the right questions and they truly understand customer driving habits, they can recommend tires that deliver on every expectation. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.